In this video, I'm going to show you how to capture data. So we're going to KZN branch, we're going to Durban plant, we go to the machine shop, and we're going to select the lathe 501. On the work center dashboard, we're going to go to the inputs, and we're going to go to data capturing, and we're going to click on there. It opens this screen where you have to select the date. I'm going to select the 6th of April, the operator. I'm going to select Allen, the shift. I'm going to say Durban day shift, and then it opens up the capture sheet. Firstly, we're on the work element. So the work element part A, this will be a list of all the part numbers that you've linked against this work center. So I'm going to double click there to add the quantity, and I'm going to say of part A we made 100 parts. I'm going to double click here for quantity for part B. I'm going to say 1500 parts. I'm then going to click on the save changes, and we are done.